To adjust the last app visibility duration on your Galaxy Watch from Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap Watch Setting. Next, tap Display. Tap Show Last app, and then select the desired duration you like to use. As the example, we will select 2 minutes. Tap the back key. With this setting, your Galaxy Watch will show the last app when you turn the watch screen on within the selected duration, in this case within 2 minutes. Given to the function, you can adjust the last app duration to control how long the most recently used app stays visible when your Galaxy Watch become idle. You can choose a quicker duration if you want a clean watch face when not in use, or you can choose a longer duration if you want to have a quick access to your last app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.